Assalamualaikum student. How are you all? Hope you are fine and please stay home, keep study. So this is a lecture third from the lesson number 5, that is inside the atom. So in previous lecture we have learned the Dalton's atomic theory, and what he said in its theory, he said that atom is an solid hard sphere with no internal structure. Okay, so about that atom, he said that atom is a solid sphere and having no internal structure inside, and he gives an example of a ball or a bundi's laddu, like a bundi laddu having a small bundi's particle inside when we break it, but when we break the ball having nothing, so that's like that ball, the atom is a solid sphere. Okay, so later on Thomson's model came, and the scientist J.J. Thomson demonstrated experimentally that the negative charge particle inside an atom have a mass 1800 times less than a hydrogen atom. So it's too minute mass of an negative charge, very minute, because hydrogen is also very small, and 1800 times smaller than hydrogen the negative charge are present inside an atom. द मतलब उसने क्या कहा है कि जो डाल्टन्स की थेरी है, वो जो डाल्टन्स की थेरी है उसने कहा है कि उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, बट जे जे थॉमसन सेड देर इज़ अ negative charge or present which having a very small mass. Okay, सो लेटर दीज पार्टिकल्स नेम द इलेक्ट्रॉन, और जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स उसमें प्रेजेंट है दे इज नेम लेटर द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो कॉमन सब्सटेंसेस आर usually electrically neutral. Obviously the molecules of substances and the atom which combine chemically to form a molecules are electrically neutral. So how is an atom electrically neutral? In spite of having negatively charged electrons. Okay, so question is arise here. Okay, according to Thomson, he said the electrons are present inside an atom, but Thomson said there is nothing, और कुछ नहीं है, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल है. सो हाउ इज़ पॉसिबल, जब नेगेटिव चार्ज इज़ देयर तो हाउ द एटम इज न्यूट्रल. सो ही एक्सप्लेन लेटर. सो थॉमसन ओवरकम this difficulty by putting for the plum pudding model of atomic structure. So here it is the plum pudding model of the atom. So the plum pudding model of an atom put for by J.J. Thomson in year 1904. So J.J. Thomson was the scientist who had proved that the cathode rays consist of the negatively charged particles called the electrons. ओके, उसने प्रूव किया था कि जो कैथोड रेज इमिट होती है वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल पे कंसिस्ट रहती है, एंड दिस नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल नोन एज अ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो लेटर ऑन प्रोटॉन वाज आल्सो डिस्कवर्ड. So later on, so proton was discovered. So the later proton was discovered, and he aware of this discovery as well. So बाद में proton भी discovered हुए और वो aware था, and he was also aware of about the structure given by the जॉन डेल्टॉन्स. ओके, वो जॉन डेल्टॉन का सॉलिड स्फीयर वाले स्ट्रक्चर से भी क्या था, अवेयर था. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट द जे जे थॉमसन गिव एक्सप्लेनेशन that the atom is neutral, so he started thinking of the structure of the atom. Then he saw a plum pudding kept on a table. So he started thinking about the structure of an atom, and suddenly saw a plum pudding in a table. So like the plum pudding, here it is a structure of the plum. So like the plum pudding, or like the plums are embedded in a pudding, he said similarly that The structure, he started making the structure of an atom when he saw the plum pudding, and the plums are kept in a or embedded in a pudding. He started making the structure of an atom, and he make the structure like that. So he considered the atom to be a positive sphere. So what is consider? He considered that atom is a positive sphere. Sphere, and electrons are embedded on the positive sphere. See the electrons, that is a negative charge. What he consider that the atom is a positive sphere and the electrons are embedded in this positive sphere, like the pudding is embedded in a like the plum is embedded in a पुडिंग. जैसे कि पुडिंग में जो है प्लम्स एम्बेडेड है, वैसे ही जो है एटम का स्ट्रक्चर एक सॉलिड स्फीयर है, पॉजिटिव स्फीयर है, यानी कि पूरे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, और उसके अंदर जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यानी कि नेगेटिव चार्ज है वो एम्बेडेड है. ठीक है. सिंस एन एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल, जैसे कि एटम जो है एक इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाउ इट इज़ न्यूट्रल नाउ एंड व्हाट ही सेड अबाउट द न्यूट्रल वंस. न्यूट्रल का मतलब होता है नो चार्जेस एट ऑल, यानी कि जिस पे ना पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो ना नेगेटिव चार्ज हो. बट व्हेन यू सॉ द स्ट्रक्चर एंड वी ड्रॉ विट देयर इज़ अ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके. सो वो how the atom is neutral. So he explained then the number of electrons, that is a negative charge electron, equals to the number of positive charge, and that is a protons. Okay. यानी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, नेगेटिव चार्ज जो पार्टिकल्स है, वो प्रोटॉन जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, दोनों का जो बैलेंस्ड है वो इक्वल है, एंड दैट्स वाई द एटम इज एन इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. सो जॉर्ज थॉमसन गिव हिज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एटम एंड इज नोन एज अ थॉमसन्स plum pudding model. Okay. And according to which he considered the atom to be a solid sphere. See here, solid positive sphere, and the electrons are embedded on this sphere, and the electrons, see the negative charge, embedded in the sphere. So since an atom is electrically neutral now, how? Because the positive charge balanced with a negative charge, and the both are in a same quantity of in a same, so that's why it is a electrically neutral. Okay. That's why atom is a neutral, that means have no charge at all, because all the positive charge, that is proton, and all the negative charge, that is the electrons, get balance. Understood? Now why this model is called the plum pudding model? Question arises here, why it is called the plum pudding model? So answer is, this is because he compared it to a plum pudding. Here the structure of the plum pudding, he considered the structure to a plum pudding, like the plums are embedded in a pudding. जैसे कि जो plums है, एक्चुअली plums is a फ्रूट. ओके. सो जो एम्बेडेड है उसके पुडिंग के अंदर, वैसे ही जो है नेगेटिव चार्ज जो है इस सॉलिड पॉजिटिव स्फीयर में एम्बेडेड है, लाइक द प्लम्स आर एम्बेडेड इन द पुडिंग. सिमिलरली द नेगेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर एम्बेडेड इन अ पॉजिटिव सॉलिड स्फीयर. At this time, J.J. Thomson's model is also compared with watermelons. If you know watermelon, okay, so you have many you have remember, and you have so many time खाते भी है सब. So that time the plum pudding or the atom structure also consider or compared with the watermelon. like the seeds आर एम्बेडेड इन अ रेड एडिबल पार्ट. जैसे जो ब्लैक सीड रहते हैं वो एडिबल पार्ट्स में एम्बेडेड रहते हैं, वैसे ही उसको एटम की तरह कंसिडर किया गया है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू थॉमसन, द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट इज़ द नेगेटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल्स आर एम्बेडेड in a solid sphere. So negative charge particle embedded in a solid sphere. So this is a complete theory or the model of the atom given by the J.J. Thomson's. Okay, so next this is enough for today, and in a next lecture we will learn about the next atomic theory, that is a Rutherford's scattering model. So stay happy and keep study. Allah Hafiz.